Okay, everybody, welcome to the UV Deep Scratch Repair videos. In this training, you're going to learn how to repair deep scratches that are in the clear coat surface with a UV Cozmo Recon Deep Scratch Repair System. This process is designed for getting deep clear coat scratches out of the vehicle's surface. If you are needing paint before you do this repair process, please go to the following chapters for UV advanced paint reconditioning. For this repair, this is going to be for surface clear coat scratches and deep clear coat scratches only. As with any repair, take your time. This does take practice. There are a few techniques during this process that you're going to want to practice on some panels before you get into an actual panel for a customer. Take a few moments, watch the video, and if you have any questions, feel free to call us. Step 1. Prepare the scratch. We're going to begin by preparing the scratch for UV clear coat. Start with 2000 grit sandpaper and soak it in clean water or use a water bottle to squirt water on the panel. Keep both the sandpaper and the repair area wet throughout the sanding process. Lightly scuff only the area where the UV clear coat will be applied. Your goal isn't to remove the material, it's simply to prepare the surface for maximum adhesion. Keep your repair area as tight as possible. Step 2. Apply the UV clear coat. Now apply the UV clear coat directly onto the scratch. Once applied, cure the UV clear using the UV light for approximately 1 minute. If you're working on a larger repair, slowly move the light back and forth to ensure the entire repair cures evenly. The UV clear coat is very thin. If you're trying to apply it on a vertical panel and you're having problems dripping, flash immediately and apply multiple layers. Before moving forward, verify that the UV clear is fully cured. The surface should feel hard, not soft or sticky. Step 3. Clean and mask the repair. Wipe the repair area with a clean microfiber towel to remove any fingerprints, dust, or residue. Next, apply masking tape on both sides of the repair. The masking tape serves as a guide while also protecting the surrounding factory clear coat. Step 4. Denib the repair. Using your denibber, begin leveling the overfilled UV clear. Hold the tool at approximately a 5 to 15 degree angle and make long, smooth scraping passes. Let the weight of your hand do the work. Never apply heavy pressure. Avoid short, choppy movements as they can leave gouges that will show in the finished repair. Continue making long, even passes until you notice the masking tape beginning to wear through. Once you see wearing on the tape, you're ready to move on to the wet sanding. Step 5. Wet sand with 2000 grit. Again, wet your area and use your 2000 grit paper. Keep the repair lubricated throughout the sanding process. Attach the sandpaper around interface pad or a soft sanding block for tighter places. Never sand using only your fingertips. A backing pad keeps the repair flat and prevents finger marks. Using light pressure, sand back and forth over the repair while slightly overlapping each pass. Stay focused only on the repair area. As you sand, you'll notice a glossy halo surrounding the repair. That glassy halo is the high spot that you're trying to remove. Continue sanding, wiping the area dry frequently to inspect your progress. Reapply water and continue sanding until the glossy halo has completely disappeared. As soon as the halo is gone, stop sanding. This is kind of like using a guide coat. The repair is now level. Remember, continue to sand after the repair is flat only removes factory clear coat and increases the risk of burn through. Step 6. Refine with 3000 grit. Now switch to your 3000 grit sandpaper. Keep the area wet and continue using light pressure. Only sand over the area that was previously sanded with the 2000 grit. This step removes the 2000 grit scratches and significantly reduces polishing time. Step 7. Inspect the repair. Dry the repair using a clean microfiber towel. The repair should appear smooth, level, and uniformly dull. There should be no raised edges and no glossy halo remaining. If necessary, make any minor corrections before moving on to polishing. Step 8. Compound the repair. Apply the 4K compound using a blued foam pad. Buff the repair until all sanding haze has been completely removed. Step 9. Finish polish. Switch to your yellow foam finishing pad. Polish the repair until it has a deep, gloss-like finish that matches the surrounding factory clear coat. Step 10. Final inspection. Finish by wiping the panel clean with soft microfiber towel. Inspect the repair from multiple angles under proper lighting. A proper completed repair should blend seamlessly into the surrounding finish. There should be no raised edges, no sand marks, and no visible glossy halo. Okay, congratulations. You've now learned how to do the UV deep scratch removal. By now, you should understand how to properly prep the surface, how to apply your UV clear coat, how to cure it, and the times that you need to cure the clear coat, and how to properly level it, sand it, and polish it clean. Not every scratch is the same, and as you gain experience, you will gain more knowledge in the field and be able to properly repair these scratches in more time efficient standpoint with full confidence. Thank you for joining me on this lesson. Once you're confident with this and done some practice, move on to the next one. Have a good day.